Okay guys, it's actually getting our Pocket FM coins. It works amazing. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how is everyone getting free Pocket FM coins online and without downloading any modded APK. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get Pocket FM coins online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work and is it legit? So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily. And then let's search down below for Pocket FM. Click there guys, and then we will have to enter our Pocket FM username. So I will enter mine. It's downtown 99 and click continue. So it should start searching for our username. So guys, you should get this message, user found. Nice. So second step is to select our coins amount. I will select almost 1 million and click continue. So guys, it will start loading up and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. I will record it more, so yeah. And there we go guys, API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Pocket FM coins. So guys, it's one-time verification and we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download apps, you can download games, you can download this, you can do literally whatever you like. You can also complete this simple questionnaires. It's up to you and it's your choice. What will you do? It's only important to complete 2 tasks from this list. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and TikTok. So guys, how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, and you should follow their instructions for each task you complete. So for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play and complete level 9. And for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Travel Town and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So guys, let's wait together. I won't skip this video and let's see, will we actually get redirected? So we'll wait together and we will see, is it actually working? So guys, I'm waiting for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3, and nothing happened. And as I said, I got this, you completed 2 tasks successfully, and this redirecting text. So let's make sure that it will redirect us and let's hope that it will be quickly. So there we go guys, there we go, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Coins are on the way, our username connected and our coins are sent. So I'm so excited to open our Pocket FM now and to see does it actually work. So guys, let's go to my store here. Okay, and now, okay guys, it's actually getting our Pocket FM coins. It works amazing, as you can see. Nice guys. So appsneak.com is absolutely legit website where you can get all these amazing free coins. So the myth is real guys. In this review we tested this website and it actually worked. So do not try this at home because it's only for educational purposes. And I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, to like this, to subscribe, you know. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.